Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we introduce rigid conduits for solar power systems.
Solar power systems use photovoltaic panels to capture sunlight and convert it into electrical energy, which can then power various devices, homes, or business. Solar rigid conduit plays a critical role in providing a secure pathway for electrical cables, protecting them from environmental factors and physical damage.
UV radiation degrades unprotected cables over time, leading to power loss or system failure.
Without proper conduit protection, solar installation will be more vulnerable to damage,
resulting in costly repairs and potential power failure.
Unlike flexible conduit, which can be bent or shifted, rigid conduit provides a solid, immovable path for electrical wiring.
It's typically made from durable materials such as UPVC, steel, and aluminum, each offering different benefits in terms of strength, flexibility, and resistance to environmental conditions.
Ctube offers UPVC solar rigid conduits that comply with the AS&S 2053 standard, available in sizes ranging from 20mm to 150mm. These conduits are designed to withstand temperatures from -50 degrees Celsius to 105 degrees Celsius and provide a compression resistance of 1,250 Newton per 5 cm. We also offer customization service including UL, CE, and more to meet your local market certification requirements. Our conduits are flame retardant and UV resistant. We also offer a range of conduit fittings, including elbows, sweep bands, and electrical boxes, designed to facilitate smooth turns and provide protection for electrical wiring.
That's all we shared today. Thank you for watching. If you are interested in our products, feel free to leave a comment below or reach out to us directly.